Last week, I attended my first Rubber Tramp Rendezvous here in Quartzsite, Arizona. Let's talk about what happened, what it was like, and what it was all about. Most van lifers have heard of the Rubber Tramp Rendezvous. It was started by none other than Bob Wells, and it's just originally just a gathering in the desert of fellow van lifers camping out together, swapping knowledge, swapping stuff, and it just sort of grew from there. The last RTR was in January of 2020, right before the pandemic hit, so it still happened. And it was huge. It was at the La Paz County Fairgrounds, as opposed to BLM land like it originally was, because it had outgrown itself. The gathering was just too large to have an organized camp out on BLM land like they had in the past, and all kinds of special permits were going to be required, so they did that. There was no RTR in 2021 because of the pandemic, but for 2022, they only just decided a month before the event that yes, an in-person RTR was going to happen, and that it was going to be in Quartzsite, Arizona at the town park. So let's go take a look at what that looked like. Well, seeing as how I'm at the RTR, I figure I might as well show you around a bit. And this is the official bike parking. Very convenient. That's the main parking lot. RTR's that way. One of the most popular aspects of previous RTRs was the free pile, which in this case is more like the free 8 tables of stuff. But it's a place where if you have something you're looking to get rid of, you can drop it off. If you're looking for something for your vehicle, you can come here and just take it. It's all free. I left some things behind, and I picked up a few useful things in the free pile myself. I remember some positive, encouraging words from High Desert Ranger when I first got on the Cheap RV Living forum. Good guy. Of course, Bob's van was there on display. I had something to do with that. While a lot of people had to settle for Flat Bob and Flat Cody, I did get to meet the genuine articles. I'm not sure whether I was happier to pet Cody or meet Bob, but anyway. It was a good experience. I got to thank him honestly for turning me onto this lifestyle, for showing me what it was all about through his videos, probably upwards of 5 years ago when YouTube first started sending them to me. And also for the help of getting started in the logistics of how to actually make this work, which he said is precisely why he does them, so it was good. Of course, the usual bulletin boards were there. People could post anything they needed or wanted. I posted one looking for people to ride motorcycles with on the trails. And if you have something you're willing to share, you can put it on the Will Provide bulletin board. I provided, well, a simple YouTube channel. The bread and butter of the RTR, however, was the classes.
So once you're stuck, please understand, stop. Stop. Stop! You get into a panic mode of driving, and if you have the momentum going, then keep it going. Don't try everything you can not to hit the brakes there. Like, don't go launching on me or anything, but be intelligent and keep the momentum.
I know a thing or two about how the process of speakers at the RTR works because I was one. Tuesday at 2 p.m., I gave a class on the basics of how to get online from the road. Nobody shot video of that, but don't worry, I will be making videos on that subject and more related to getting online from the road on this channel in the future, so stay tuned. Besides the classes, my other favorite part of the RTR was the open houses. They split them up into 2 sessions. On Saturday was the open house for vans and minivans. Just any kind of van you can imagine had shown up there and would open up their doors to show off to anybody who wanted to see it. And because of my van's rather unique construction with the L channel holding the whole structure together instead of traditional woodworking, I wanted to show that off as an option for people who may not be woodworkers but can put erector sets together. So here's what that was like. Well, it's a Saturday of the RTR. We got a bit of a van show going on here. So of course I'm showing mine off too. What do you think of all this, Lister? Huh? Got more vans to crawl under? It's one of your favorite things. This part of the program doesn't officially start until noon. It's 11:20 now, but yeah, there's already people touring around, so I'm glad I got here early. Of course, the real star of the show is right here. I'm using him to draw people in, because that's marketing. Lister has found his favorite place, under somebody else's van. I haven't had a chance to shoot much video myself because it's been a constant flow of people wanting to check things out, but hey, that's great. For the first time in history, Lister is attentioned out. He's gotten so much attention here that he's just done. Overall, it was an extremely good experience showing off my van and everything. A lot of people got to see it. I had a constant stream of visitors pretty much the whole time. And even some YouTubers showed up and shot video of me and my van. In fact, just the day I am recording this, Postcards from Terry posted her tour of my van. So I'll throw a link to that up whatever corner those things appear in. And then on Sunday morning was the other half of the open house, which was for everything that's not a van. So cars, truck campers, ambulances, trailers, anything else got to show off things there. I didn't get any video of that because I was too busy looking around for my own ideas. And I found this one rig that has really inspired me for the future. So we'll see how that pans out. So that's what it was like at my first RTR. I can tell you it's not going to be my last. I am planning to return to Quartzsite next winter, and during the volunteer and speaker brunch that they fed us at the end of the RTR, the mayor of Quartzsite invited us to come back next year. I was right there when he said it, straight from his mouth. So it is official. It is going to happen next year. So if you like what you see here and want to be a part of it, make your plans for January 2023. The Rubber Tramp Rendezvous will be back. Also, if you like what you see here, like, comment, subscribe, hit the ding dong diddle, and do all the things. At least that's what Shay Lisi says. Yeah, sure, I'll steal that. And stick around. We got more stuff coming up, more how-to stuff, and more adventures. Until next time, see you down the road.